Hey traders, in today's video I'm going to share with you my approach whenever I see a trading opportunity appear, whether I'm trading day to day or whether I'm trading week to week or month to month. I'm going to share with you the type of approach that I look forward to in terms of identifying a trading opportunity. What's the whole approach, or how do I trade an opportunity? And I want to share with you a few examples of how you should be trading.
Hey Mike, check out this BBRY stock. It's going up right now. You know what? I'm gonna buy it.
Why are you buying? Is there any good news coming out? Is it a good chart setup?
I'm not sure. Just bought 1,000 shares right now. Wait. Oh, come on! Go up!
Hey Mike, I think just doing some research on this company, it's not looking too good. You gotta be careful here.
Hi babe, sorry, can't talk right now. Bye. Come on, please go up.
Hey Mike, I've been doing some research on this company stock, Tesla. Looks like the company is doing pretty well, and the electric car business is booming. You know what? I'm going to put together a trade plan. Just looking at it, the chart looks pretty good. Let's see here, I'm going to buy this stock at $50 and then sell it at $45 if the price doesn't go up. So I'm risking about $5. My target price on this one, looking at this chart here, looks like it's $100. Well, looks like a good opportunity. Let me actually put in my orders into the software right now. Alright, click. Alright, done. Hey Mike, do you want to grab lunch right now? I'm going to go grab a bite.
No man, I can't. I gotta watch my stocks. I'm losing money right now.
So in these videos, I've experienced something very, very similar in the sense that, I used to not leave my computer or leave my trader workstation, not even for a minute. I would have my breakfast, my lunch there. I would be, staring basically at the charts all day. And at the end of the trading day, my eyes would be so tired just from staring at the screen all day. Also, what I used to do was, I didn't have a plan. Before I trade, I would just, again, enter into trades very erratically. There's no plan in place. And really very important, put together a trading plan so that you know exactly what you're going to do. Put the orders into your brokerage software, and again, let the trade work for you. So next time, I'm going to talk about the concept of specializing or being a trader specialist, whether you're specializing in trading a specific stock, specific strategy, sector, or specific trading instrument, and really the importance of it in becoming a very, very successful trader. So make sure to like us on Facebook and Twitter, subscribe to our videos, and I'll see you here next time.